Hello and welcome to a video on the last start of my 1954 Wolseley WD8. I just set the timing properly as it was about 3 teeth out on the gear. I don't really know if it's going to go or not, but we'll see. Seems to be impulsing at the right place. Took it to a rally yesterday, Wolseley show in Devon, and it ran all day there, and it was it drunk a hell of a lot of fuel. It drunk about, I don't know, must have been about 8 litres of fuel in about 7 hours, and it boiled off about 2 gallons of water as well. It was boiling like a kettle. I'd never seen nothing like it. It was working a DeVilbiss compressor of mine, but anyway, we'll just get her started. Don't seem the timing's very right. Sounds a bit quieter. It's blown head gasket because it's bubbling already. It's not getting very hot, it's quite warm, but the water's bubbling, so the head gasket must have blown. I ain't really surprised because it's one of my homemade ones anyway. I shut the engine down a little bit on the governor. The weather isn't very good today, it's drizzly, but I thought I might as well get on and start the restoration. If you notice, I've also put the flat belt pulley on the front. Didn't take much pulling off, but when I went to undo the grub screw, he twisted off, so I ain't too worried. I noticed when you're running off load, he likes to have a little bit of choke, otherwise he'll start misfiring a bit. He's running a hell of a lot better with this with the timing altered. By now he'd be misfiring and popping and going, but he isn't. Oh, I forgot, that's why he's tapping a bit. I forgot to do up the back plate. Only done the timing about 10 minutes ago. I ain't going to run it for very long, I just want to get the oil hot so I can drain it out. The oil's gone low on the stick because he's been burning it. It's quite funny, there was quite a few smoke rings blowing off yesterday. And he's leaking a bit of oil out the back plate because there's no gasket there, or part of the gasket, but he's broke. Already starting to boil, I think. We'll move that in a minute. I think I'll just get the DeVille bits out and see if we can give it a bit of a load, just to get it hot. He's working hard now, and this is what he was working like for about 7 hours yesterday. Starting to boil away now. Right, I'm going to flick the belt off and then turn off the fuel. That clattering sound's just the trolley rattling because the engine's only bolted down with 2 bolts. Well, that's the last run over with. Look out for the first part of the restoration coming soon. Thanks for watching.